Hi everybody, we are Embody and we are ready to get this party started. Let's step with the clapping it out. All right, here we're gonna go. Other way. All right, let's walk to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the side and side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it back. Point. Pop it forward. Pop. Point. Walk it back. Point. Point. Pop it. Pop. Now let's whip. Step. Again. Now we're gonna walk backwards. Here we go. Walk back. Pop. Walk back. Point. Now pop it forward. Now we're gonna whip to the side. Other way. Again. Let's walk back. Again. Bounce it out. That's it. You're amazing. It's a beautiful day to be alive. To dance. To feel your heart beating without you even thinking about it. Wow. Let's brush our shoulders off.
You can't hide. She's something mystical.
That's it. Okay. You're incredible.
Before you play with fire, do think twice.
Let's do our hips.
Baby, don't you be surprised. Drifting higher than the ceiling.
That's it.
Baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling
Okay.
so giddy.
Let's go from the top. Our routine. Here we go. Again. That's it. Are you smiling? Walk it back. Point. Pop it forward. All right, back. That's it. Pop. All right, now whip. You're amazing. Let's get our hips. All right, we're gonna add on. We're gonna step to the front. That's it. From the top. Here we go. Again. Back. Point. Pop it forward. To hips. Thank you so much for joining us in our slow dance stretch groove. If you want to do some more, check out our QR code.